Hey everybody, it is somewhere between week 4 and 6. So let's assume it's week 5 of my Achilles rupture repair recovery. And I don't have a lot to tell you in terms of what to expect at this stage of the game, except there's one thing I've learned, and that is when every week when they give you a new cast and your ankle angle, keeps moving, and every week they move it. When I got to if this is my leg and this is my foot, when they moved my foot up to about here, which is where it is now, put a lot of stress on my calf muscle, and so I've had these very annoying, small but consistent cramps in my calf. And so when they move that foot, you're going to experience that, and that's no fun. Um, I am really, really over this cast process. They said 4 to 6 weeks. I'm approaching week 6. And as far as what you can expect, it is the boring time. There's really the only thing I'm looking forward to is when we finally get out of the cast, and then I think my leg is going to be so smushed up from being in a cast for 6 weeks that it's going to be interesting. So that's all I got for you right now. Approaching the end of the cast period, and then we'll get into the boots, and we'll let you know how that looks or feels when I get there. Good luck.